body, this a AC gang. Me name Abby aka Good Gal.
And your boy Capo there from Capo's TV. Subscribe, like, share, join the family.
Cause we vibes say mad and extra. Achoo!
Whoa!
Welcome to the Mad Crew. And the summer sun say moo. What's up, AC gang? No, the good girl there, the good girl there. Right. So people, as you can see by the title, good girl I got up another bad and the dirty boy name Capo. No people no come right to say good girl excited, bad. People don't know so the dirty boy always are the one where I catch me with them escape prank, yeah. So anyways, people come right to so wanna see that mask, yeah? People, backstory behind that mask. I buy that mask from 2019 also. Yes, people. However, the dirty boy they spot the mask. So me say no girl, you can't bother do the prank here. So guys, me never bother do the prank. Me all out and me hide the mask. Me take the mask out. I kept aside. Me supposed to do something for my channel with the mask. And I say no, me nah do it. Cause me have to catch Capo. You see how long me all out for? 2019 you know. So people, anyways, couple days ago, I do the prank, and that's why I go and say, I just the intro me I do now. And people don't mind me here. I remember say me is a mad girl, so me ear not really cool much. And me have to use the ring light for put look, for now I look too crusty and no girl. Couple days ago when I do the prank, after I do the prank, I did I laugh too much, which give me instant headache. And me and him be supposed to go up on the road. That could have bother go and come. Me I tell him some edit that tear off. And I never that give him it for edit for me. Cause I never want him take out something. I never want him delete no funny moments. Me I tell you so the boy scream out like a so people, I say Halloween sorry, so I never try to hurry up and edit it. I feel a little better now, even though I want to see I still can't come here and so. I say, no girl, you're the dirty camera person in my video. Welcome and let me attack so long so. Guys, if you're new, welcome to the Mad Crew. Yeah, we're mad, we're vibes and we're extra bad. So welcome, open all over here. So we're gonna go over to my channel, Abby's Madness. We're gonna go over to Capo's TV. And we're gonna go over to Abby and Capo Comedy TV down below. So people, when I go see the ugly mask, I'm not see it good while ago. I'm gonna show you. Hold on there. People, I want to really take in that mask. Look all the mask ugly and look all the mannequin here. People through the mask. Talk truth, people talk truth. Anyways, guys, I want to go extra. So come grab a broomstick, grab my rope, and say, alright, then you get on and you get rope. For make it look like, actually one person, either the mask, actually one figure. So, guys, the plan was supposed to, I set the alarm, no, not alarm. I set a stopwatch for 1 minute. One line, I see another video. Yes, so I'm going to try and squeeze it come in. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna bring out the dog, right? And then I have to squeeze come out of the room for go for the damn ugly something. For squeeze come back, watch me. Watch good girl. Me I take my time and I chat with people. Me I squeeze watch it. No girl, put your head. No girl, watch out, the boy. Him there so I think him they move so I say no girl, watch out, him still a moving but me I take my look at time guys, so me I put it right over there so me say people at this time I have to talk backside and cause the boy no stop move. Me I wonder where my dream mode. Yeah guys, somebody here try careful put it down and people bear in mind I set up another camera for catch him face from the angle that which by me there. Watch him. The boy no stop move. Look how much me I say me I get catching up, but you know a good girl I still a play it up. So anyways, me I run. Me I go for right so the phone. So me I go for the phone for put on the stopwatch, the 1 minute stopwatch. So me I go put it over Finn bedside. So by the time I get for lie down back, there's some alarm. Yeah guys, that's the plan. So watch good girl. No, only taking the some over there. So look out something ugly. No girl. So anyways guys, just stay tuned. I stop the chatting and put on the Pink Panther beat. So stay tuned.
Few moments later.
Oh, no. Where the fuck the alley? What the fuck the alley? Mumbo clock this. Abi. Mumbo clock.
Use the mic in.
I go the fuck.
I edit on the mic and I say that coming on my face. Nah, for that I say that coming on my face.
You think you're building out here? The fuck you do?
What you do? What you do?
Me
Think
don't know. Back and kick that, bro. I can't even think. I never see anything good enough myself like one face. I never see anything good all like I know the feeling can't keep us. Oh, bro. You know, can never unite that sweet that hit me.
Yeah, but no, you remember see it already, you know. Oh, me I said, no, man. Many things I'm supposed to go under there. But not go under there. And so come I think I use the money
I'm
kid.
going to sleep, my girl. Let me tell you, when the fuck I'm going to go off and I'm going to go. Yo,
Oh, I know, so we're supposed to go up on the road now.
I already ate my girl. I'm going to bed last night, you know.
My youth,
So much thing you go through.
You know what I'm here for you. You know what I'm here for you.
Look, you have put a fool now. If you're not sitting there scared, if you're sitting there, put me think you want to kick your same.
Put it on for
I'm
Andy.
going to say the black face, monkey, some of those fire, they can't kick.
Yeah, really.
Yo, you can't even fuck with the hair. You're yourself, man. Stop playing.
Hello. I know some nobody supposed to go under
Stop
there.
playing for
I'm
hair.
not going under there.
Fucking idiot, yo. You really put that on your ass, yo. I think it's funny.
Yeah, you may limb on my back at.
I'm lick you, and the man lick me how I go.
You let me when you are run like a bitch.
I tell.
You put your limb on my back when you are run.
Fuck you. And if they fuck with it. If it stop to be playing sleep, especially can't find some of them sleep here. Put me a bad problem on them, so they even know that.
Really hurt me now.
I'm really coming with a mid now.
No, I can't.
I'm out of sting, I want to brush right
I go up and go back.
now. My mouth is bitter.
You said what out there?
Yo.
Team, yeah, but one goes to say what I say.
Feed up yourself, so I don't mind that.
Oh yeah, I'm going to get her for dirty boy. Team, I'm people. Team, where you going to go too far?
I work with teeth,
I chew up.
You can't tap on camera and things like this, so I'm telling you.
So the boss smell it back.
You feel that way. Maybe I'm two-piece.
Good.
You can't even think about it.
Hold on, go. No, but
Hold
hold on, so how it go on? How you think it go on? You know what long me a plan for you?
Sabi, I must thank God you have no sense. Can I keep the rest in the get? Or you fix it?
So you think it for sure?
Right. Or you fix it? I tell them, I tell them, sorry, I have it. Okay, you have no sense now.
Guys, I got attend to several. Even though I was supposed to go up on the road now, so I'm not show myself enough and me look terrible. So until then, the good girl is out. Bye.